In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Binance wallet address step by step as of 2025. Navigating through the Binance app to locate your wallet address might feel a bit daunting if you're new to the platform or haven't done it in a while, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process in a clear and simple manner, making it easy for you to perform this task in about 5 minutes. To start, open up your Binance app. Once you're logged in, find the Wallets tab. You'll usually see this tab in the lower right corner of your screen. Tapping on Wallets brings up a breakdown of all your assets and the overall view of your portfolio. This is where all your cryptocurrencies that you hold on Binance are displayed. It's also the starting point to find your wallet address. Next, within the Wallet section, you'll want to tap on Assets. This button is typically located at the top of the screen, and selecting it will give you a detailed list of all different types of cryptocurrencies you currently own or wish to know more about. This setup is designed to make it easy for users to locate specific cryptocurrencies quickly. Following this, identify and select the cryptocurrency for which you need the wallet address. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a stablecoin like USDT, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find it. Once you've selected the correct cryptocurrency, you'll be brought to a screen that displays more detailed information regarding that particular asset. You're almost there. Look for the Receive button on this screen. Tapping this button will prompt a new window where you need to choose the network. Now, this is a crucial step. Make sure to select the correct network that corresponds to the transaction you are planning. For example, if you're dealing with Bitcoin, ensure you're on the Bitcoin network, and if it's Ethereum, make sure you select the Ethereum network. Using the incorrect network can result in lost funds, so take your time to verify this detail. As you complete this step, the app will display your wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. You will see the wallet address given as a string of letters and numbers, which you can choose to either copy directly to your clipboard or use the QR code for scanning purposes. Most apps or exchanges will accept either of these formats for sending or receiving crypto. And there you have it, you now know how to find your Binance wallet address. Using the wallet address, you can confidently send or receive cryptocurrency on Binance. This process ensures that you can manage your assets securely and efficiently, making your experience smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching and happy trading.